I'm recording and you're just standing there. What am I supposed to look at night now?
We'll just start from start the key.
You're gonna win America's Funniest Home Videos, and you're all gonna get to live in Persia.
Oops.
Gin is cold and the piano is hot.
You wanted to Bernie to death.
And
Okay.
that jazz.
Do the thing.
And then we go.
Wait, I missed the spot. Yeah.
So this.
So went right into the wall. Like a solid thud.